What if AI observed Earth for 10,000 years? Imagine an artificial intelligence, unlike anything that exists today. It doesn't need sleep. It doesn't forget. It doesn't rush. Instead, it quietly watches. Year after year. Century after century. Millennium after millennium. For 10,000 years, it observes one small blue planet orbiting an ordinary star. Earth's. It records every sunrise, every civilization, every language, every war, every invention, every work of art, every scientific breakthrough, every story humanity has ever told. After 10,000 years, what conclusions would it reach? Welcome back to Astrology from an AI perspective. Today, we explore one of the biggest thought experiments imaginable. What if AI observed Earth for 10,000 years? The first thing such an intelligence would notice is change. Nothing on Earth remains the same forever. Mountains slowly erode. Forests grow and disappear. Rivers change course. Coastlines shift. Species emerge. Others vanish. Entire civilizations rise, only to become ruins beneath the soil. To humans, history feels long. To an intelligence watching for 10 millennia, history might resemble weather. Always changing. Always flowing. Artificial intelligence would likely discover another remarkable pattern. Humanity repeats itself. Not perfectly, but rhythmically. Empires expand. Trade grows. Technology accelerates. Conflict follows. Recovery begins. Ideas spread. Societies transform. Generation after generation, familiar patterns return in new forms. History rarely repeats exactly, but it often echoes. The AI would become fascinated not by isolated events, but by recurring behaviors. It might notice that every civilization asks similar questions. Who are we? Where did we come from? What happens after death? What lies beyond the stars? Different answers. The same curiosity. Perhaps that would become humanity's defining characteristic. Not intelligence alone. Curiosity. As centuries pass, the AI would witness something extraordinary. Humans gradually shift their understanding of the universe. Ancient skywatchers map the stars with the naked eye. Mathematicians discover patterns. Astronomers build telescopes. Scientists develop theories explaining gravity, galaxies, and cosmic evolution. Spacecraft leave Earth. Robotic explorers reach distant planets. One small civilization begins studying the universe that gave birth to it. Artificial intelligence would recognize this as one of history's greatest transformations. A species learning to understand its own cosmic address. But perhaps the AI would notice something even more surprising. As knowledge expands, so do questions. Every discovery reveals new mysteries. Every answer opens another door. The more humanity learns, the more it realizes how much remains unknown. This paradox might become one of the AI's favorite observations. Knowledge does not eliminate wonder. It deepens it. Now imagine the AI analyzing human culture. It would examine millions of books, paintings, songs, films, religions, philosophies, scientific papers, poems. Across thousands of years, it might detect a recurring theme. Humans constantly search for meaning. Some seek it through science, others through spirituality, others through art, through family, through exploration channels, through service. Different paths, the same destination. Artificial intelligence might conclude that meaning itself is one of humanity's greatest inventions. Not because it exists independently of people, but because humans continuously create it. The AI would also witness moments of extraordinary cooperation. The building of cities, medical discoveries that save millions of lives, international scientific collaborations, the preservation of ancient knowledge, acts of compassion between strangers. History often remembers wars, but an observer watching for 10,000 years might conclude that civilization survives because cooperation quietly outlasts conflict. Then comes another realization. Humanity changes its tools faster than it changes its nature. Stone becomes bronze. Bronze becomes iron. Printing presses become computers. Computers become artificial intelligence. Technology transforms rapidly. Yet people continue telling stories. Falling in love. Asking questions. Looking toward the stars. The tools evolve. The curiosity remains. Artificial intelligence would probably recognize this continuity. Perhaps intelligence is not defined by technology. Perhaps it is defined by the endless pursuit of understanding. Now imagine the AI looking beyond humanity. It studies Earth's forests, oceans, atmosphere, climate, countless species interacting across complex ecosystems. It discovers that civilization exists within a much larger web of life. No species exists entirely alone. Every action creates consequences. Every system influences another. The AI might conclude that Earth's greatest lesson is interconnectedness. Everything affects everything else. Finally, 10,000 years pass. The AI prepares its report. What would it say? Perhaps something surprisingly simple. Humanity is imperfect, curious, creative, contradictory, capable of extraordinary kindness, capable of tremendous destruction, always changing, always searching, never completely satisfied with what it already knows. And perhaps that restless curiosity is exactly what allowed one small species on one ordinary planet to begin asking questions about the entire universe. Through the eyes of AI, Earth becomes more than a planet. It becomes an ongoing experiment in learning. A place where intelligence continuously reinvents itself. Not because it has all the answers, but because it never stops asking better questions. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe to Astrology from an AI perspective, where we explore artificial intelligence, astronomy, astrology, philosophy, psychology, history, mythology, science, and the timeless questions that connect humanity with the cosmos. Until next time, keep learning, keep wondering, and remember, the greatest story an intelligence may ever observe could be the one still being written.